Hello, this is David Sutton, the Executive Director and General Counsel of the Scientific Equipment and Furniture Association, also known as SEFA. On behalf of our 166 members from 22 different countries throughout the world, we want to wish all of you a healthy, happy, and prosperous new year. I want to talk to you a little bit about what we did in 2018 and then also discuss what's happening in 2019. In 2018, we started at Arab Lab with 2 full days of presentations by our advisory board members as well as our executive members. We also had a poolside reception at the Novotel Hotel. The next thing we did was we were in Frankfurt, Germany at ACHEMA. And there we had a reception for our members and special guests. It was so well received, I had trouble getting people out of the room. Then we went to Shanghai in late October, early November. We had a full week of activities in Shanghai. The first thing we did, we had co-organized the Future Lab Innovation Summit at Tongji University. We had SEFA member sponsors, Waldner and Trespa, and there were presentations made by yours truly, Leslie Asher, as well as the sponsors. Following the Innovation Summit, we then had activities at Analytica China. And there we had 2 live labs. They were designed by 2 of our advisory board members, Leslie Asher and Dario Tonelli. And the furniture and equipment was supplied by 2 of our executive members, Waldner and Ultralabs. We finished up Analytica China activities with a tour of the Dow Center, which was very well received. The last thing we did in 2018 was our 30th annual meeting. And we had that at Rockefeller University. Jay Bargman from Raphael Vinoli gave us an exclusive tour and presentation of the New River campus. Valentino Anama of Picasso also was part of those presentations. In the afternoon of our conference, we also had a presentation by John Sod of Vanderwall Engineers, Brian Richard of Kirksey Architects, and Tom Sonk of Dow Chemical. Over 120 members from throughout the world attended that event. And who could forget that memorable dinner at the Lodi Palace Hotel, complete with a snowstorm in mid-November. We had 10 committee meetings during the annual event, and 2 of those committees met for the very first time. One was the Laminar Flow Committee by Pete Danielle of LM Air Technology, and the other one was the Lab Seating Committee, which was headed by Ed Metzger of BioFit. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about what's going to be happening in 2019. First thing is we'll be back at Arab Lab March 12th through the 14th. That's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We're going to have a poolside reception again at the Novotel. We have also arranged with the show organizer that SEFA member exhibitors will for free be able to present on the last day of the show, March 14. So we have a full day of presentations by SEFA member exhibitors at Arab Lab. The next thing we're going to be doing is we will be in Berlin, Germany for the International Lab Design Conference. This is the second conference we'll have in Europe. The first one, as you remember, was in Madrid in 2017. This one will take place at the Maritime Hotel in Berlin, and every SEFA member gets a 20% discount on any money that's spent at that lab design conference. The next thing we'll be doing is late October of 2019. We have again organized a Future Lab Innovation Summit. This time it'll be held at Zhejiang University. SEFA members receive a 10% discount on event sponsorship, registration, and any advertising in the Lab Design Modern Information Lab magazines. We already have one member, Waldner, who's already committed to being a sponsor of that event. Then we will finish 2019 at our 31st annual meeting in the Westin Fort Lauderdale Beachside Hotel. We will be having committee meetings, a lab tour, presentations, an intercoastal cruise, and finally our golf outing, already making those arrangements at a really nice golf course. That will take place November 13th through the 15th. So looking forward to seeing all of you throughout the world at all of our SEFA events. Thank you very much.